Alright, ladies and gents, in today's video we're headed back out to Lake Gregory. Haven't been there in a while. Let's see how things have changed, or if they've changed. Let's see if we can get some fish.
Yeah, there you go. Nah, he's just feisty. We'll see. I don't think he's that big.
Oh, it's a nice one. That's a pretty fish.
Yeah.
Nice one.
He's not ready yet, Thrasher.
Yeah, I'd say go under. Got 2 pounds?
No, it's 5.
Nice and good.
Yeah, yellow and white.
Yeah, that's all.
Wait for him to roll. Here he comes. Get the net under him. There you go. There's a fat one.
It's a toad, bro.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
You got it.
Got a decent one?
2-pound test, so this stuff good. I'm trying to get mine.
You need to move the rod.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
He's gonna take off right now. See if he takes off. No, he's not gonna take off.
He's trying to. Yeah, nice size, dude.
Got that on the main
Got him on the
baits,
white?
bro. Yeah.
Oh, made baits? Adventure?
Adventure.
Right on. Let's get some more of that.
Let's get some more.
I think this is the one Mike Scott's little brother. Yeah, I got the prize for the littlest one. This looks like a swim bait. This might be a native. There we go. There he goes.
Chunky, bro.
It's a decent one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's pretty decent.
What'd you get it on?
I guess as good as mine.
For so long you forgot.
Yeah, we'll find out when it gets in here. Oh, I think it's a green worm. Oh, yeah, it's a freaking nice one.
Net.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold your rod while you're doing that.
Ah, I'm fine.
$20 rod, $200 reel.
Looks like something chartreuse.
Spring green looking color.
There you go.
Is it? Please tell me it's in his mouth.
Yeah.
Badass. Oh, cool.
Yep, and he's out.
And bait and weight with
yellow and white worm. Oh, stop.
Good.
Yeah. There you go. There he goes. All right, show you guys the jig I caught that last one on. It's a 1/32 ounce ball head, kind of a dark green, with a Golden State fishing inchworm on there in yellow and white. I'm just working it back super slow. That's what they're hitting. Let's see if we can get some out. Mini jig or a spoon? Where's that net at? Oh, there we go. Yeah, decent size.
I'm liking this 2-pound test, dude. It's 2
Mm-hmm.
strong. That's better than
Mm-hmm. A 4 or 5.
nice one.
Is that on adventure again?
No, this is actually Jigs, man.
Watch that stick he's right on.
I think it's a Drew's custom.
Mm-hmm.
LaRue, there you go.
And I was gonna go to Glen Helen.
Yeah, good looking fish.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Not bad. Get some of that.
Chingo. Fuck yeah, bro.
Oh yeah.
I thought he was snagged. Might be a
Yeah, he's on something.
Off of your, off the ones you just gave me.
off of minnows.
Yep.
You got a freaking catfish on or something?
Oh, hope this is a nice. Feels like a nice one.
Oh,
Yeah.
dude.
It,
There you go.
it looks like a nice one. Just don't see a lot of head shake. Just watch the trees up over your head.
Might be a fucking bass.
Oh, I hope it's not getting in that other rod.
You want to bring this one in? Just let him run. Just let him run.
Drag sit right.
Want me to get in the water for it?
Huh?
Want me to get in the water?
Oh, sure.
Right now. See what you got.
So everyone bring your rod in.
Yeah, please.
He's running.
Ah.
Watch the trees, Danny, when you pull up. Watch the trees. Come to your left.
Oh, it came off.
All right, ladies and gents, there you have it. It's good to be back at Old Gregory. Missed that lake. It's a really, really nice lake. It seems like the folks that run the concession there now are starting to get their feet under them, and they're stocking a lot of trout. Right now, they're stocking every Friday, I think until beginning of April, and then it'll go back to 2 weeks. So there's fixing to be a ton of fish, because I believe they're putting in 1,000 pounds for sure, and then some weeks they're putting in 1,500 pounds, but not all the time. But at least 1,000 a week right now. So that's quite a bit of fish in just a matter of weeks. And that lake ain't that big, so the fishing should be good there for quite a while. And if they keep up with the stocks every 2 weeks, should be good all the way through summer until it gets real hot, and then the fish go out deep. But you got a float tube or a kayak, you can use them there and get out to them. But today the bite was a little bit different. They didn't want bait and weight. You saw in the video, Mike caught one on bait and weight. I had a bait and weight rod running the whole time. I was changing baits and colors and styles, from worms to fake worms to power bait, and nothing. Mike just got that one on that, I think it was a Berkeley chartreuse worm. I never found out what exactly it was, but Interesting. Usually bait and weight works pretty well there. And today I was fishing a lot of 1/32 ounce jigs. Normally at Gregory in that spot, it has kind of a decent drop off. I'll fish the 1/16. The trout seem to be closer to the bottom. And drop shot. Very interesting there too. There's a little bit more debris in there. It's not impossible, at least the spot we were at. But I've never caught a fish on drop shot there. Even though they're closer to the bottom, it seems that they only want jigs, and I've done fairly well in the RHA spoons there. But mini jigs really work well there, and usually a 1/16 like bounced off the bottom is what really gets them going. Today I switched up to the 1/32, and that's how I started getting into them, keeping it higher up in the water column. So any given day, you don't know what they're going to want, so keep changing your baits, even the size of your baits and the weights of your baits. Work all the columns of water, because even though it's the same lake, same fish, any given day they'll change their mind and want to do something a little bit different. So always be mindful of that. Thrasher, as you saw, lost that toad. In reviewing the footage, I'm not so sure it was a trout. I didn't see a lot of head shake there. I think he might have dragged that old drop shot into a big old carp, because they have huge carp in there. But still, it would have been cool to get it in. I mean, fish of that size on that light trackle is quite an accomplishment. So that would have been cool. But hopefully Thrasher feels a little bit better. I don't think he lost out on the trout of a lifetime. I think it was probably a carp, or maybe a catfish, but more than likely a carp. So I don't know where I'm going next. Shoot, probably Gregory again pretty soon if they're stocking like they are. Got Lake Hemet. I heard they put a bunch of fish in there recently, so I may head up to Hemet and see how that's doing, and then keep checking on the mud hole. Bass are spawning there right now, and the bass get real aggressive on their beds, and they push the trout out deeper. So the bite's really interesting there. Good news is, not a lot of fish being pulled out of them waters, and they keep stocking them. So at some point, the old mud hole is going to break open, and I am hoping to be there when that happens. So until next time, always remember to like and subscribe. Leave me lots of questions or comments. I love answering them. Message me on Instagram. A lot of guys do that. That's a great way to get a hold of me. And one thing too, if I don't get back to your comment right away, I just missed it. I will go through them every once in a while, and sometimes you might get a late reply, so I apologize. But I got a life, I got a family, and I do things other than fishing in this channel, and sometimes I'm doing those things. But my passion is this and the fishing. So if you got a question or anything, let me know. And hopefully you'll get a hold of me, and I'll get back to you in a timely manner. So till next time, guys, tight lines.